This is the emergency alert system serving the entire United States. During this emergency, all broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. The Federal Communications Commission has issued an emergency action notification. The emergency action notification will end when the emergency action termination is issued. 23 minutes ago, over 100 people were found dead in the greater Chicago area. It was thought to be a coincidental cluster of suicides, but more suicides have occurred. Each person viewed a picture called Smile Dog. JPG. This picture is quoted, "Spread the word." It is unknown how, but this picture, which looks like a mnemonic Siberian Husky dog, is a suicidal trigger. This picture is being spread via email and social media. FCC officials urge everyone to delete this file from their email. It is also advised that everyone turn off an internet-capable devices. If this image is viewed for more than a few seconds, then suicide cannot be avoided. If you have a loved one or friend who viewed the image, then restrain them, take them to the hospital. Keep away sharp objects. All licensed medical workers must report to the nearest medical center. The National Guard and FEMA have been deployed to help keep order. Riots have been confirmed. Do not participate in any riots, you will be arrested and held in detention without legal counsel. A state of emergency is now in effect for the continental United States. A curfew for all civilians is now in effect with the exception of medical workers. This message will repeat. The emergency alert system has been activated.